Yeah.
Yes, okay. So before we start the reading, I wanted to share something with you. Today we are on the day 17th of this magic book, and you must be wondering why and how does gratitude, make the things come to us faster. Why does it happen? So I'll just share a picture with you. Just one second. Yes, so everyone can see this picture.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so whoever has joined in just now, you have to switch on the camera, otherwise you will be removed from the meeting. Oh, the car is getting removed. Yes. Okay, so yeah, so here we are seeing there's so many cars over here, and this is your car. Okay, and you are at this position A, and you have to go to B. Can you see the traffic over here? There's a lot of traffic and all the cars are moving in this direction, and it'll take you a longer time to reach there.
Thank you.
Yes, it will take a longer time to reach here.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, you can see now. So it'll take a lot of time, there's a lot of congestion, and don't you feel that
ये
it's
वाली है
easier
मैम.
if the roads are emptier, your cars move faster, your car moves faster to the destination, and see, the destination remains the same from A to B. But the only difference what gratitude will do is it will clear the way. Okay, like as compared to so many cars, from A to B in your path, gratitude will make sure that the path is clearer, but still you have to travel from A to B. Okay, but what is it doing is, maybe you'll get lesser signals, or one second.
This Khushi Khatiyal is a fraud because Khushi's surname spelling is not this.
Okay, okay, let's not admit her. She's here already, kya?
Masi, I removed her.
Okay. Yeah, we already have 2 Khushis. Yeah, Khushi Joshi, please switch on your camera if your camera is off. Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, from today onwards, everyone's camera has to be on. Okay, otherwise I'll not allow, or maybe cancel the sessions altogether. Yeah. So okay, so when we are doing gratitude, this is what happens. The roads become clearer, and the roads are smooth, the signals are nice, there are no bumps, lesser speed breakers, and you can easily, happily travel from A to B. Does it mean that the distance becomes smaller? No. Does it mean that you are just sitting here and you'll reach B? No, you'll have to drive the car, you'll have to take the road, and the same distance you'll have to travel. Okay, the only difference is that the journey becomes easier and you reach there faster. Yeah, that is what gratitude will do to us. But we have to be sure where we want to go. That is why they have asked us, we have to know what we want, where you want to go, whether it's in the area of health, your relationships, or your money area. Okay, so we have to be very specific what we want, then only we will know where we are going. Yeah, see, if you take a cab or you just sit in the car without telling your driver where you want to go, will he know where to take you? He might take you to the mall, he might take you to the school, he might take you to the hospital, he might take you to the picnic, है ना, उसको तो पता नहीं चलेगा, and then you'll reach there and say मेरे को यहाँ थोड़ी आना था, मेरे को तो वहां जाना था. So until and unless you specify, until and unless you are clear in your mind where you want to go, you will not reach the destination. Secondly, you have to make the effort. It is not that कि हम भुजिया खा रहे हैं, same example if we carry on, कि हम भुजिया खा रहे हैं और मेरा टमी अपसेट है और हम gratitude कर रहे हैं टमी के लिए भी, भुजिया के लिए भी, जिसने भुजिया बनाई उसके लिए भी, and we feel our tummy will be okay. No, that will not happen. Okay, so is this clear that why is gratitude important? So we are clear on this, and let's start the reading. So in whichever area, gratitude works its magic. Okay, you have to believe and you have to feel the gratitude. Yes, so I will just stop this share and we'll start the अच्छा, how many of us want money? ठीक है, अभी पापा देते हैं, हाँ, बट हमको जो पापा देते हैं उसके लिए भी वो सब सामान तो चाहिए ही. या ओके, यस, आई गेस एवरीवन वांट्स मनी इन आवर लाइफ. या, और जो सामान भी चाहिए उसके लिए भी तो हमको वो पैसे चाहिए. पापा भी देंगे, अगर मम्मा भी देंगी तो वो उनको भी तो वो पैसे आने चाहिए जो हमको वो सामान मिल जाए. Okay, so let's see what this amazing chapter is. क्या महिला क्या करते रे तू?
It's Khushi Joshi.
Yes. So this time the person came as Joshi, and what have
Khushi Joshi messaged me to take her inside. So I took her in, but before that also there was one more Khushi Joshi who did this particular thing.
Yeah.
She
so what I'm
messaged
saying
me
is-
that she had a genuine network issue.
Okay. So what we will do is what to do now. Ria also, I don't think there is any Ria with us. So
I am
let's-
not taking her in.
yeah, let's not take her in. And from tomorrow, all of you are going to personally message me your numbers. Okay, all of us who are here, and I will send the link. No one else will share the link in the group. Okay, like yesterday, you guys shared it in the group. One of you, I don't know who. So that is why it was open and people could know it. Okay, so let's.
Or
do-
we can switch the medium. We can go to Google Meet probably.
I
Or
don't.
we could just make another group.
क्योंकि वो email ID verified होता है Google Meet.
Acha.
Google Meet में I can't do.
And I don't think there's
I
recording.
guess
at all.
making another group is
Very
also a
good.
good idea because
Yeah, I
there are
think
only
let's-
30
Yeah.
people who attend this. So we
Yes,
can take them
yes.
all in.
Yeah, okay, so I will do that. Okay, so this is it. So now, Arohi, you will start the reading.
Auntie, it wasn't me.
Sorry.
It wasn't me who was doing it. Like there was a network issue, so the call dropped down. So I've joined from another device.
Okay, see, so Tanmay, I know is Ruchi's son. इसमें हम लोग कुछ ऐसा क्वेश्चन नहीं कर सकते हैं क्या? खुल जा सिम टाइप.
Ma'am, Masi, you can message him in the waiting room before making him enter.
अच्छा, okay. So what do I message him?
On the chat, you message everyone in waiting room. You'll get an option out there. On the drop down arrow,
हाँ. Message.
wherever you can.
Yeah.
Good
everyone in
evening.
So what do I write to him?
Arey, I have an idea. Everyone can rename themselves on Zoom meeting. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Tarani, thank you, thank you, thank you. Khushi.
Okay.
Just a funny suggestion.
Yeah, I don't know. ऐसे तो और हमारा आज का तो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट सेशन है हमारा. ओके, ठीक है, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग. अब जो 2 जन वेट कर रहे हैं मीटिंग रूम में, हुआ दे. विवान तो पहचान में आ रहा है. विवान का डीपी सही है, राइट? विवान का I can't hear you. Who's speaking?
Viraj Patni.
Okay. अच्छा, let's start. ये क्या आ गया? व्हाइट बोर्ड आ गया भूल से.
Ma'am, we could probably make this rule that everybody has to keep their camera on when the session is going on so that we know who's
That
attending.
is what I just said, that you have to switch on your cameras and be here. Otherwise, I'll remove them, okay? So at least once you are here, your camera is on and everyone has seen each other कि हाँ हम लोग जान पहचान के हैं. Vanshika, it is you only now. What is your mom's name? Tell me. Yes, okay. And Nitya, you were already there. Tarni also I saw, and Nikita also I saw. Yeah, so whoever is there. So I think, Arvi, let's start reading. So we want money, right? Whether it's for our studies, whether it's for the extra coaching that you want to do, whether it's some extra class that you want to do, whether you want the new dress, new phone, new laptop, new headphones, new shoes, anything and everything, we want money. Okay. So now what we are doing, now what we are going to do is we are going, so how many of us have got checks in our names? Vanshika, okay. And others?
Ma'am, I have.
I also have.
Yes, okay.
Ma'am, my account is in a bank of my mother's. I don't know its name. So in that bank, we can get credit cards and debit cards as we make an account. So I have my own debit card.
Achha, cool, very good. But okay, okay. Now what we are going to do, we will see that that we get a check for us, and we'll see who is going to give us that check. If we look at this picture, we will see, okay, that this on this table there's an old telephone. ना ऐसा तो आजकल होता ही नहीं है. आप लोगों ने ऐसा फोन देखा भी है किसी ने?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And this is even an ancient one. Just see ना ये थोड़ा सा इसका
In vintage,
Ma'am, I have this as a showpiece.
in vintage houses and museums.
yes, in vintage houses and museum, and maybe in old movies if your grandparents or your parents watch some old movies.
Yeah, ma'am. I saw.
Yeah, you saw now.
My great grandfather bought it for my grandfather, and it's as a showpiece at my house.
Okay, so now what we understand is that this could be a writing table, yeah, because the phone is kept here, base of a lamp, and this again could be a box. See, there's a key over here. Some quaint glasses. बहुत ही glasses लग रहे हैं ना ये कि नहीं लग रहे हैं? This is just something on the wall.
Yeah, it looks like glasses.
Like glasses only. And if you can see, there's a quill, and if you see, this is a check. If I just zoom in a little bit, can you make out what is written here?
The signature of universe is
The
there.
universe.
Yes, so see, we are going to get a check which is being signed by the universe. And do you think if a check is signed by the universe, it's not going to come to us? It's not going to credit or debit. I'm not very good at accounts. So what do you think? We will get the money or not?
I think I will get because my mom got.
Oh, your mom got ना? No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है, कि मॉम ने साइंस पढ़ा है तो हमको भी साइंस पढ़ना पड़ेगा, ये एकदम नहीं सोचना चाहिए. अगर मेरा विश्वास है, मेरा बिलीफ है, हमने इतना ग्रेटिट्यूड किया है, तभी जाके वो मेरे को मिलेगा, ठीक है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मॉम को आर्ट में अच्छे मार्क्स.
will not get.
ऑफ कोर्स प्रत्युष ये भी नहीं सोचना है कि वी विल नॉट गेट, ठीक है, बिल्कुल मिलेगा, बट सिर्फ इसलिए मिलेगा बिकॉज हमको उस पर विश्वास है दैट वी विल गेट दिस चेक. ओके, सो let's read how we are going to get this check materialize. How will it come to us? Yeah, and what gratitude do we have to do for this? Yes.
Can Arohi Sunil can mute it because from their noise is coming disturbance.
It's not from my.
She is only going to read. If she mutes herself, how will we hear what she's speaking? Yeah?
Ma'am, but there are too many background
It's not
noises.
from my.
Okay, now it's clear, Arohi. Please start.
Okay, day 17, the magic check. In the magical universe, there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. William S. Burroughs, 1914 to 1997, writer and poet. When you
Just one
direct
second, Arohi.
gratitude.
Just one second. So William S. Burroughs is telling us that in the magical universe, do you think there are two universes? One is a normal universe, one is a magical universe. Do you think that?
No.
No. So why is William Burroughs telling us that the universe is magical? Firstly, he's a poet. Poet लोग तो आपने देखा है. You've heard songs ना? वो क्या होता है? हर song माने किसी भी चीज को वो लोग ह्यूमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स दे सकते हैं, कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, बट दे आर द ट्रू पीपल हु कैन सी द मैजिक. ओके, जो राइटर्स होते हैं, वो पोएट्स होते हैं, उनकी इमेजिनेशन एक डिफरेंट टाइप की होती है. इट टेक्स देम समवेयर एल्स टोटली. सो व्हेन ही इज सेइंग द यूनिवर्स इज मैजिकल, एंड व्हाई इज इट मैजिकल? बिकॉज अगर हम जो चाहते हैं वो हमको मिल जा रहा है ओनली थ्रू ग्रेटिट्यूड. एक पैसा नहीं देना है मेरे को, किसी को कुछ और कोई सामान नहीं देना है, फिर भी मेरे को वो मिल जा रहा है, तो द यूनिवर्स इज मैजिकल. And there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. अब जैसे अगर आज भी ये प्रैंकस्टर आ रहा है हमारे सेशन में, कुछ ना कुछ तो उसका रीजन होगा. ये कोई कोइंसिडेंस नहीं है, ठीक है. क्यों ऐसा हुआ है कि आप जिस स्कूल में गए हो वहीं गए हो, आपकी बेस्ट फ्रेंड आपको वहीं मिली है, राइट? आपकी जो हॉबीज हैं आप भी उसमें अच्छा कर रहे हो. So there are no coincidences in this life and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. तो अगर आपके मैथ्स में मार्क्स गंदे आए हैं तो आपने उसके बारे में इतना कंप्लेंट किया है, इसलिए गंदे आए. अगर आपके इंग्लिश में बहुत अच्छे मार्क्स आए हैं, बिकॉज यू हैव गिवन दैट मच लव टू इंग्लिश, दैट इज व्हाई you have got good marks in English. Okay, so we have to see what we are attracting in our life. Okay, yeah, please continue.
Yeah, when you direct gratitude's magical power toward any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition. That means that when you get yourself to the place where you feel grateful for money more than you feel a lack of money, a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money.
Yeah, so here we are reading about two things. One is that if we, like day before we did now, that kuch hamara relationship gadbad tha and you know directed gratitude in that area, what happens? That negativity got eliminated. That old condition, वो जो negativity वाली थी, वो खत्म हो गई और आपकी उस person के संग में एक new relationship हो गया, ठीक है। सो ग्रैटिट्यूड ये करता है कि उस कंडीशन को मिटा देता है और एक न्यू कंडीशन बना देता है, ठीक है। सो ही नहीं, ग्रैटिट्यूड क्रिएट्स अ न्यू कंडीशन. So this is one very important thing. That is why when we are thinking about the health, तो हमारी वो हेल्थ रिस्टोर हो जाती है. अब आप बोलोगे नहीं पेट में दर्द था तो न्यू पेट आ जाएगा, नहीं ऐसा नहीं होता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जो सेल्स होती है हमारी, एवरी डे आर सेल्स डाई, ये हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है साइंस में. एवरी डे, आपको पता है कुछ महीनों में पूरी बॉडी की एक एक सेल न्यू हो जाती है. हैव यू रेड इट? We have read it in the power book and science students को भी ये पता होता है. Why is it that a new baby, you know, from the tiny baby in 9 months a full baby is made. अपन जो खाते हैं उससे वो सेल्स पूरी लाइक वो हेल्थ अपनी न्यू, अभी जो टमी है ना वो न्यू टमी हो जाता है. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड कि वो टमी कहाँ चला गया और एक न्यू टमी आ गया, कैसे आ गया? बिकॉज उसके वो सारे सेल्स, पूरा टमी नहीं, जो सेल्स में इश्यूज हैं वो धीरे धीरे न्यू सेल्स बनते जाते हैं. सेम वे जो भी नेगेटिव कंडीशन है, ओनली थ्रू ग्रैटिट्यूड वो पूरी न्यू हो जाती है, एलिमिनेटिंग द ओल्ड कंडीशन. अब क्या है, सेम वे इफ वी टेक इट इन द एरिया ऑफ मनी. अगर अभी हम मनी के एरिया में अगर हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे एरिया मनी, यू नो, सपोज आई वांट अ न्यू लैपटॉप, अ न्यू कैमरा, अ न्यू वॉच, new pair of earrings, new bangles, new dress, anything. If I want that, और अभी तक हम उसके बारे में कंप्लेन कर रहे थे, if I start doing gratitude to what? To money, because money का चैप्टर ही है. तो अगर हम मनी के लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड करेंगे, अगेन कौन से मनी का? जो हमको पहले मिल चुका है बचपन से. रिमेम्बर, पापा मम्मी से लेके नाना नानी, अंकल आंटी, दादा दादी, जिसने जो भी मनी हमको दिया है, स्कूल में फ्रेंड्स ने जिसने जो भी मनी से आई हुई चीज दी है, अगर हम उसके लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड कर रहे हैं जो हमको करंटली मिला है, राइट? रिमेम्बर वी डिड दैट प्रैक्टिस, थैंक यू फॉर द मनी, थैंक यू पेड, हम लोगों ने वो बिल्स के ऊपर जो लिखा था उसके लिए थैंक यू कर रहे हैं. और आजकल चलते फिरते भी इफ यू आर बीइंग ग्रेटफुल कि यस आई एम सो लकी कि ये मेरी टेबल बनाई हुई मम्मा पापा ने बनवाई है.
Ma'am, I'm sorry I'm cutting your line, but ma'am, this guy, he's using some foul languages.
Oh, okay. What to do? I just saw. Who's that? कौन कर रहा है ये? Ahana.
Ma'am, there are kids over here. He's
Anna.
Yeah. Let's remove them. What to do now? Like,
Masi, I removed Ahana, Tanmay. Both of them are messaging.
And tomorrow it's actually better if we do on Google Meet because Zoom में people can enter from anywhere. It's like
Whoever
Zoom
the plans.
Zoom में you can restrict the account with the email ID.
Zoom में I can restrict the account with the email ID.
Gmeet.
Sorry?
You can
But
restrict.
my brother just told me that you can't record.
No, you can
Google
record
में
on
we cannot
Gmeet
record, so we will do it in Zoom
Okay.
only. So all of you please
But
message.
Masi,
Yeah.
like I was saying yesterday, right? The authenticated users,
Yeah.
so that everyone has to be registered with their Gmail, and I don't think the kids will have their own Gmail or their parents'
Let's
Gmail
ask
ID.
them. Archit, Pratyush, सबका Gmail ID है क्या या any
Ma'am,
email
I
ID?
have my
Yeah.
own Gmail ID.
I have my own.
I have my Ma'am, I have my own Gmail ID.
email ID.
So what I
If
will
it
do is,
doesn't have, let's take account of that.
Ma'am, Viraj Patni,
We can do like same DPs all have so that we can recognize who you are entering.
what
Auntie, the
was it?
professor is using our names, like the people who attend the class daily.
Yes.
He's using our names and joining, so that you let them in.
We are all in
I
group
tell you
like
what
that.
I
we
have
can do.
two Gmail IDs, ma'am. One is Viraj Patni and one is
No, I
MSN.
don't want to know the
I have a
email
fun
ID.
suggestion. I have a fun suggestion.
Yeah.
What we can do is that tomorrow morning, all of us will individually message you, and then
Yes.
let's just make a code name.
Okay.
ठीक है? Like whether it's a color, whether it's something from the book, whether it's whatever, and you will message us the link along with the name that we have to log in from. So other than that, no one else will be allowed.
Okay. And
What do
then
you
what we,
suggest?
yes, and what
Ma'am,
we
but
will
I
do is,
have my Gmail.
okay, Viraj,
Then
that's
beyond that, so and because it'll be private message encrypted over WhatsApp पे 1-to-1, so I don't think a third person can actually take that.
okay. And then what we can do is we will do a trial meeting, you know, maybe a little sooner than the
7:30.
actual time, so that meeting will be on, and I will change the meeting ID also. Okay. So we'll do that, and then
We will feel like detectives.
yeah, we feel like detectives.
Yeah.
Actually. Yes. Okay. Okay. So should we continue it or what should we do? Tell me. Because it's already 8:30.
I
We are
think
not
we
letting
should go
anyone
for
else in. Okay. Let's
Ma-
start.
Chats are so
Masi, I
bad.
think because the chapter is a little long and important as well, let's just do it tomorrow. Today we can just have maybe discussion or a visualization for 5 or 10 more minutes, and then let's end for today. That's what I feel.
No, we can't do a break, no? We can't do a break in that. We have to
So
do
then-
it continuously. See, that's what I have always done.
Okay.
Masi, even this has never happened before, na?
Sorry?
Yeah, and the language is also very foul. We can't even ignore it. Like,
Yeah, yes. So what do? I can.
हाँ मतलब language से पता चलता है.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of harami?
Ma'am, I have an idea that if we I have taken my profile picture. If everybody keeps their profile picture, then as some people like some people who
do not
keep
have a
their
photograph.
videos on. Who keep their videos on, they can turn it off and keep a profile picture. So if you spot anyone without a profile picture or without opening a video, then you can ask him or her that why don't you have your video on or your profile picture.
So
Ma'am, once message on
Masi,
group.
but we are even restricting the meeting ID. So it's someone either in our group or someone from the people who have the link are forwarding.
No, even if it's someone who's a hacker, he'll always have those details. So it'll have to be an identity-based situation that we'll have to create.
Masi will do a Google Meet tomorrow. We'll figure it out tomorrow. Let's just continue today. It's better.
Yes, today we'll not
Yeah,
let
yeah, just
anyone
ignore.
else enter. Okay, so
Just
whoever
disable the chat. Disable chat.
How do I? Acha, theek hai.
Yeah.
How can I do that? Can I do it now?
Yes,
Yeah,
you can go to more and you can disable.
And ma'am, you can just make the chat towards you only, that we can only contact you or talk to you.
Yeah, not anyone else.
Ma'am, to host only.
Ma'am, personal chat.
हमको तो chat more में नहीं दिख रहा है.
चैट
Ma'am,
मोर नहीं,
Masi-
जो सिंपल मोर आपको जो अपनी स्क्रीन में दिखता है वो वाला.
मीटिंग इन्फो एंड मीटिंग नहीं, उसमें तो नहीं दिख रहा है मेरे को मोर में.
एंड मीटिंग में नहीं. आप ये
Masi, click on chat.
Okay.
Out there, can you see 3 dots?
Yes. Yeah. No
Click on
one.
that and
Host only,
host
right?
only. Yeah, host
Okay.
only.
ठीक है, cool. Thank you. चलो, and I don't read chats in the message. ठीक है, जिसको भी अब question होगा, okay. So what we will do is we will you just ask, okay. Otherwise you message me and we'll take up the chat messages tomorrow. ठीक है. So let's start.
There are 3 hosts, so we can send to anyone. So I think like
Ma'am, there
that.
are 2 co-hosts, Tanvi and Manu.
3.
Ma'am, ma'am, but we have to
Acha,
ignore
let's
them
start the
because
reading.
they talk to
Okay,
you.
Arohi, let's start.
Yeah. All bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in your life. And every time you feel bad about money, you reduce it a little more. If you have feelings about money like envy, disappointment, worry, or fear, you cannot receive more. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money. If you are worried about money, you will receive more worrying situations about money. If you feel fearful about the state of your money, then you must receive more situations that will continue to make you fearful about money.
Yeah. So everyone remembers that feeling chart that we had discussed? I will send it in the group again. See all these feelings that we are reading here, okay? Like disappointment, worry, envy, fear. If we are thinking like these about money, like कैसे सोचते हैं अपन, जैसे आप स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हो, ठीक है? And you want to go for a camp, ठीक है? Some camp or some excursion, sorry, that is happening. And you feel that, the amount, maybe because of the amount, your parents might not allow, your family may not allow you to go, no? And you are worried about that. Then what is happening? You are pushing the money away from you, because what kind of a feeling are you giving for money? Of worrying. Yeah. If you are disappointed, like kaise, ki suppose you get some gift from your family member or a friend or someone, and you are very disappointed ki itna bekar sasta sa saman hai. If you are thinking like that in terms of money, then you are sending the money away from you, because you are using which kind of a feeling? Disappointment. ठीक है. When you are fearful, how you fearful? That oh हो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है अभी जो मेरा इतना अच्छा सा some maybe you are doing some session, maybe not this session because इसमें तो कोई पैसे है नहीं, but suppose you are doing some session or maybe your Netflix account, your parents feel कि नहीं बहुत इसमें अभी एक्सपेंस हो रहा है, we should not because of the money, okay, not because of your viewing time but because of money they feel कि नहीं Netflix का अकाउंट अब बंद कर देते हैं because बच्चे लोग पढ़ते नहीं हैं, one, and secondly it is so costly also. Then what are you doing? You are fearful that वो account बंद हो जाएगा because of the money, and how will you watch your series or game or whatever you watch or your movies. ठीक है. जब हम लोग मनी के प्रति इस टाइप की फीलिंग रखेंगे, any of the negative feelings, I'll share the feeling chart again. Harshita, if you put it in your background so everyone will just remember what feeling chart was that. So it is in Harshita's background. I will share it in the group as well. Okay. So if you have any such feelings which are below the line, okay, which are boredom, irritation, disappointment, worry, criticism, anger, hate, envy, guilt, despair, fear. I'm looking here because my chart is, pasted on the wall. Okay. So if we are having any such feelings for money, yeah, then we are pushing the money away from us, because the law of attraction says whatever feeling we are giving to money, okay, that same feeling will happen. कैसे होएगी? ये हमारी चिंता क्या होएगी? अल्टीमेटली हम लोग ये चिंता कर रहे हैं कि पैसे कम है, पैसे कम है, पैसे कम है. So this is the feeling that law of attraction will increase. Yeah, whenever we are giving these negative feelings, they are all telling us that हमको चिंता है कि पैसे कम होने वाले हैं हमारे लाइफ में. Okay. Someone had a question. Kanak, you raised your hand? No? Okay. So if you are, so these are the things. So in any situation, if we are giving negativity towards money, कि वो महंगा है, सस्ता है, the moment you say ना ये तो बहुत महंगा है, that is again a negative feeling. अगर वो महंगा है इसका मतलब मेरे पास पैसे कम है इसलिए वो महंगी है. Okay. So हमको इस टाइप की फीलिंग देने से हमारे पास पैसे कम होंगे. सॉरी प्रत्युष, उसको अब हम लोग किसी को अलाउ नहीं करेंगे.
Auntie, Pratyush is there in the meeting and he has joined. Someone has joined again. Pratyush is already there in the meeting.
Oh, okay. Then do not let him come. Okay. Yes. So, Arohi, please continue.
Yeah, however difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may currently be experiencing. And gratitude is the guaranteed way for you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't be thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried thoughts about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you're grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feelings that push money away from you, you're doing the very thing that brings more money to you.
Yes. So now, can you tell me, can you love ice cream and hate ice cream at the same time?
No.
No opposite feelings are right. Can you love chocolate and hate chocolate at the same time? No. Right? Maybe you can say नहीं chocolate खाएंगे ना तो acne निकल आएगा, लेकिन हम फिर भी खा लेते हैं. तो अगर खा रहे हैं इसका मतलब लव ही है. बाद में आप जो भी सोचो वो secondary feeling, बाद वाली की बात नहीं करें. Immediately what thought comes is more important. What you act on, that feeling is more important, right? So you cannot have two simultaneous emotions or feelings for the same item. Okay. So now if we are being grateful for money, अगर हम लोग ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हैं मतलब हम उसको अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं, उसको लव कर रहे हैं, है ना, उसी के लिए तो हम लोग ग्रेटफुल हो रहे हैं. जो आप सुबह ब्लेसिंग्स लिखते हैं आप उन्हीं चीजों के लिए लिखते हैं जो आपको अच्छी लग रही है. ऑफ कोर्स जिसको हेट करते हो आप उसके लिए तो नहीं लिख रहे हो, और जिसको हेट करते हो और आप उसको चेंज करना चाहते हो उसके लिए भी आप उसमें अच्छी चीजें ही ढूंढ रहे हो. राइट. हम लोगों ने नेगेटिव सिचुएशन को जो टर्न करने की कोशिश की थी, नेगेटिव रिलेशनशिप को जो अच्छे करने की कोशिश की थी, उसमें भी हम लोग पॉजिटिव ही ढूंढ रहे थे. सो इफ वी आर लुकिंग एट द पॉजिटिव, तब हम नेगेटिव नहीं देख रहे हैं. और जब पॉजिटिव दे रहे हैं तो हम लोग मनी को अपने ओर अट्रैक्ट करें. कि वी आर अट्रैक्टिंग द मनी टुवर्ड्स अस बाय गिविंग लव टू इट, बाय गिविंग पॉजिटिव फीलिंग्स टू इट. ओके. सो we are attracting the money to us when we are giving positive feelings to it and when we are being grateful for it. Yeah. Please continue.
Yeah. You have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received and continue to receive. So before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you're not grateful each time your riches or money increase, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you.
या तो हम लोगों ने
Money can come through
just 1 second आरोही,
to you
हम लोगों ने
receiving.
आरोही just 1 second please, thank you. So we have already practiced कि हम लोगों को हमने we just discussed ना, हमने बचपन में जो पैसे मिले उसके लिए थैंक यू किया है, अभी जो पैसे मिल रहे हैं उसके लिए भी थैंक यू किया है. तो अगर हम लोग ऐसा नहीं करेंगे तो क्या होगा, हमारा वो मनी डिक्रीज होएगा. और अगर हम वो चीज करते चले जाएंगे तो मनी इंक्रीज होगा ही. और अगर हम लोग फ्यूचर में भी मिलने वाले मनी के लिए ग्रैटिट्यूड करेंगे तो हमारा मनी और से और इंक्रीज होता ही चला जाएगा. या
Money can come to you through receiving and the next.
I've done it. Unexpected check.
Yeah, receiving an unexpected check, an increase in salary, a lottery win, a tax refund, or an unanticipated gift of money from someone. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee, lunch, or dinner, and when you're about to purchase an item and you discover it has been discounted. When there's a money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy. The end result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does this circumstance mean that I have more money? Because if it does, you need to be grateful for the money you're receiving through that circumstance.
Yes. So अभी क्या है, आप सोचते हो मनी मतलब कि जस्ट सिर्फ हाथ में कैश आएगा तभी मनी है, या अकाउंट में जब पैसे आएंगे तभी मनी है. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. मनी ऐसे भी होता है कि आप अपने फ्रेंड के घर गए, मे बी उसकी कोई सिस्टर ने अपने उसको चॉकलेट दे रही है और आपको भी दे दी, राइट? तो यू आर गेटिंग अ गिफ्ट. ऐसे भी हो सकता है. मे बी यू हैव गॉन फॉर शॉपिंग, हाँ, और मम्मा कुछ शॉपिंग कर रही है, उसके संग कुछ फ्री गिफ्ट मिल गया या उसमें डिस्काउंट हो गया. That is also money coming to you, yeah. Or it could be that like ऐसे तो बहुत होता है. See, we have done it like I mentioned, we are 3 sisters. सिस्टर ने अपने लिए कुछ खरीदा तो उसने वो देखा कि अरे उसके पास ऑलरेडी है वैसा कुछ सिमिलर. शी गेव इट टू मी कि नहीं दीदी मेरे पास है सेम टू सेम, आप ही ले लीजिए एक तो दैट वाज मनी सेव फॉर मी. वरना हम वो खरीदते तो मेरे को पैसे लगते वो. इट कुड बी दैट यू अर्नड अ स्कॉलरशिप, you got a discount in your tuition. Okay, if you are joining for maybe 7-8 classes and आपको discount मिल जाता है, those kind of things they happen. तो वो जहां से भी इस टाइप की चीज होती है, that is all money earned. Okay, money saved is money earned. जो अपन बोलते हैं ना, वो बिल्कुल यहाँ पे applicable है, same to same. Maybe you are buying something online and last moment पे you saw that there is a deal. उसमें कितने बार होता है ना, फ्लैश डील्स हो रहे हैं. मे बी whatever you wanted to buy was there on a discount, जो हमको पहले नहीं पता था. तो all these circumstances are that you have got money for you. ठीक है, आप बोलोगे नहीं वो तो सबको मिल रहे थे. नहीं, कितने बार ऐसा भी होता है ना कि जब हम खरीदने जाते हैं तो सेल नहीं होती है, बाकी लोग जब खरीदते हैं तो समय सेल होती है. Haven't you faced this? I had faced this a lot earlier. तब हम काफी कम ग्रेटिट्यूड करते होंगे मनी के लिए. So I have faced it कि आज गए, पहले तो इतने सारे अनाउंसमेंट नहीं होते थे ना कि सेल लगने वाली है. So I would shop today and come back and within 2-3 days there was a sale on that particular item. तो इस टाइप के जो भी इश्यूज होते हैं कि नहीं डिस्काउंट मिल गया आपको, so that means you have got that discount. And first में हमने पढ़ा था that nothing is a coincidence and nothing is an accident. So if you are getting a discount, it is not a coincidence. If someone, आप बोलो नहीं मेरे को मिला है मेरी फ्रेंड को भी मिला है, वो भी कोई coincidence नहीं है, उसने भी ग्रेटिट्यूड किया होगा, राइट? तो जब हम लोग को इस टाइप का सिचुएशन मिलता है, so we have to be thankful. क्यों? क्योंकि हमको मनी मिला है and we are learning this only कि कुछ मिल रहा है, so we have to be grateful in every situation. Yes, please continue.
If you tell a friend you're about to buy an item and the friend offers to lend or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you're planning to travel and you hear about a discounted special that you end up taking, or if your lending institution lowers the interest rate, or a service provider offers you a far better package, your money magically increased through the saving of money. Are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive money?
Yeah. So now if you reflect a little bit, about your life, ऐसा हुआ है कि एक पे एक फ्री मिलता ही है, एक खरीदने से कम डिस्काउंट है, आप 2 खरीदते हो तो ज्यादा मिल जाता है डिस्काउंट, एंड यू फील नहीं हम 2 का क्या करेंगे, देन मे बी 2 फ्रेंड्स क्लब कर लेते हैं, हाँ हमको भी चाहिए तुमको भी चाहिए, चलो दोनों जन डिस्काउंट में ले लेते हैं. यू कीप फन, आई कीप फन. वी हैव डन इट. पहले बेनेटन में होता था ना, इफ यू बाय फॉर 10,000 you'll get itna discount, 5 खरीदोगे तो इतना डिस्काउंट, ऐसे होता था. बट वी डोंट नीड 5-6 आइटम्स. देन यू नो व्हाट वी वुड डू, हम लोग 2-3 फ्रेंड्स मिलके खरीद लेते थे, एंड देन वी वुड टेक द डिस्काउंट एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट द आइटम्स. तो आई एम श्योर ऐसा हम लोग करते हैं अभी भी, बट उस समय हम लोग ये नहीं सोचते थे कि हमारे पैसे बच रहे हैं, एंड लेट्स बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर मनी. सो नाउ वी हैव टू सी ऑल दीज एवेन्यूज इन आवर लाइफ एंड बी ग्रेटफुल अबाउट इट. यस, please continue.
Most likely, you have experienced some of these situations in the past, and whether you realized it or not at the time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situations all the time. Many people call it luck, but it's not luck at all. It's universal law.
तो हमारे लाइफ में भी ये जो चीजें हुई हैं, एक जन होता है जिसको हमेशा, कई जन बोलते हैं ना वो तो इतना लकी है, वो हमेशा हाउसी में जीत जाता है, वो हमेशा लूडो में जीत जाता है, कार्ड में जीत जाता है, या जो भी गेम्स होते हैं उसमें वो जीत जाता है. तो नहीं, वो गुड लक नहीं होता है, वो यूनिवर्सल लॉ है. उसने जरूर ग्रैटिट्यूड कर रहा होगा, नोइंगली अननोइंगली वो होगा ग्रेटफुल, एंड ही इज गेटिंग बैक वॉट एवर ही हैज गिवन. ओके, या प्लीज कंटिन्यू. Arohi, you are mute.
Yeah, I am. Any circumstance that results in you having more money or receiving something that cost
money.
No, it didn't. Yeah, more money is a result of your gratitude. You'll feel great joy in knowing that you did it, and when you combine your joy with your gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will keep attracting more and more abundance.
Yeah, now here if you see, एक होता है हम लोग नॉर्मल ग्रैटिट्यूड. अभी हमने देखा ना, आप किसी के लिए कोई चीज करें और वो सिंपल सा एक थैंक यू बोलते हैं, हाँ थैंक यू, तो आपको कैसी फीलिंग आएगी, बोलेंगे वाओ तुम कितनी अच्छी हो, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल, तुमने मेरे लिए यू नो यू गॉट दिस गिफ्ट फॉर मी, आई एम सो हैप्पी, सच अ वंडरफुल गिफ्ट. तो व्हाट इज दैट? दैट इज जॉय. एंड व्हाट हियर if we read in this paragraph again is saying that you will feel great joy knowing that if you combine your joy with gratitude, you have a real magnetic force. तो माने क्या हो गया, ये आपको एक बोनस टिप मिल गई. हाँ, कि जैसे बोलते हैं ना, केक तो है बट उसके ऊपर आइसिंग भी है, चॉकलेट क्रंच भी है उसके अंदर, तो डोंट यू एंजॉय इट मोर? या तो वो और सेम केक है, चॉकलेट केक ही है, वो और यमी लगने लगती है. तो एक एक्स्ट्रा चीज उसके अंदर आ गई. सो व्हेन यू आर बीइंग ग्रेटफुल नेक्स्ट टाइम, इफ यू ऐड अनदर इमोशन, इफ यू ऐड अनदर फीलिंग, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग? अ सुपरलेटिव काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग, जॉय, देन अ रियल मैग्नेटिक फोर्स comes into practice. ठीक है, माने लगे और वो स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. तो अब कल से जब आप थैंक यू बोलोगे जिसको भी, जिस भी एरिया में, इफ यू मिक्स दीज टू इमोशंस, जॉय एंड ग्रैटिट्यूड, तब और जल्दी हमारे लाइफ में अच्छी अच्छी चीजें आने लगेंगी. Yeah, so let's read how Rhonda Byrne did it. This is about her life. Yeah, you have to unmute, Arohi.
Okay, when I arrived in the United States several years ago, I arrived with 2 suitcases. I worked in a bare bones apartment with my computer on my lap. I didn't have a car, and so I mostly walked everywhere. But I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in the United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartment with its 4 plates, 4 knives, 4 forks, and 4 spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift me a driver and a car for a few months. Other than my computer, I was living with the most basic material things to survive. And then suddenly, I had my own personal driver and car. I was grateful, so I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude.
Yeah, so if you look at her story, if you just reflect on it, how basic things she just had the bare minimum, right? And what happened, she was still grateful. She did not complain कि उसके पास chair भी नहीं थी, वो गोदी में रख के अपना काम करती थी. You know, this is what she said, no? How she worked, she would keep her computer on my lap, not even the laptop. Just imagine how she was living. I assume वो keyboard रखती होगी, computer नीचे रखा रहता होगा, या whichever way, but how basic and simple her things were that she had. And she would walk to most places and still she was grateful. Okay, and what happened? Someone gave her पर्सनल ड्राइवर एंड कार दोनों दे दिए। क्यों दे दिए? बिकॉज वो इस सिचुएशन में भी बहुत ग्रेटफुल थी। वरना हम लोग क्या करते, कैसे जिएंगे, हमको तो कहीं जाना ही नहीं है। दैट इज हाउ वी डू दैट विदाउट अ कार। इतना वॉकिंग करना पड़ेगा, इतनी ठंड है, इतनी गर्मी है, वो कहाँ, जहां भी वो यूएस में गई, एक्सट्रीम वेदर सब जगह ही होते हैं, शी वुड स्टिल बी ग्रेटफुल। एंड व्हाट हैपेंड, द यूनिवर्स गेव हर अ ड्राइवर एंड अ कार। सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, व्हाटएवर सिचुएशन we have to be grateful regards to money especially। क्यों? क्योंकि मनी सबसे जल्दी हमको दिखाई देता है। ठीक है, लाइक वी वर डिस्कसिंग, किसी की फीलिंग्स थोड़ी अच्छी हुई या थोड़ी गंदी हुई हमको पता चलेगा, लेकिन कितनी हुई वो नहीं पता चलेगा। और मनी का रिजल्ट सबसे फास्ट आता है। इफ यू आर डूइंग द ग्रेटिट्यूड प्रॉपर्ली, उसका इमीडिएट रिजल्ट मिलता है। ठीक है, इफ यू हैव डन द अर्लियर मैजिक प्रैक्टिसेस अबाउट मनी प्रॉपर्ली, किसी को गिफ्ट मिला है अभी जब से सेशंस हुए हैं? हाँ, लैपटॉप तो मिला है प्रत्युष को, और अर्चित को न्यू स्पेक्स मिला है, वंशिका इज आल्सो रेजिंग हर हैंड, हाँ, तो उसको भी मिला है। तो बहुत जन को मिला होगा अगर आपने अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस किया। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज यू, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द प्रैंकस्टर, मोस्ट ऑफ यू so cute.
No, you are wrong.
Huh? I'm wrong?
You are wrong.
How? About what? You are not cute?
This pranksters wali line mein.
Acha. Okay. So I am saying most of you, all of you are of a pure heart, है ना? And आप दिल से जो इसको भी थैंक यू कर रहे होगे ना, उसका तो फटाफट रिजल्ट मिलेगा। क्यों? Because you guys are kind of untouched in the sense like पता ही नहीं कि दुनिया में क्या है, कैसा है। Most of you, even if you feel you are in college, नहीं हम तो इतने बड़े हो गए, नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। You still have that innocence with you, हाँ? और उसके कारण और जल्दी रिजल्ट मिलता है। तो what will happen when you see the results faster? क्या बन करता है? वाओ, और करते हैं, ये भी मांग लेते हैं, वो भी अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं, ये भी अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो यू विल यूज योर ग्रैटिट्यूड प्रैक्टिस मोर एंड कीप ऑन अट्रैक्टिंग मोर एंड मोर थिंग्स इन योर लाइफ। ओके, सो यस Arohi, please continue.
Yeah. Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought astounding results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check from the Gratitude Bank of Universe, and you are going to write out the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you're going to spend the money on. Money is a means to what you
want.
Yeah, what you want, but it's not the end result. So if you just thought about money per se, you wouldn't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you want to imagine imagine getting the things you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more gratitude than if you were just being grateful for money. You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book. You can also get an abundance of blank magic checks from that link.
Secret TV magic check. So what Rhonda Byrne is telling us, you don't have to go to the website, or if you want, you can. I will just send you the, I have made a checkbook. In the sense, I have downloaded the check and made 3 checks. Because लगा एक check क्यों चाहिए? एक check खत्म हुआ तो मेरे को दूसरा check भी. I have realized 2 of my checks. Okay, I got my office printer, A3 printer, and this laptop. From by writing my checks. तो करना क्या है, हमको ये देखना है कि हमको चाहिए क्या. Okay, why do you need that money? Okay, you need that money for a particular phone, for your laptop, whatever gift you are actually wanting. एक तो उसका हमको मोटा मोटी प्राइस पता होना चाहिए। ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम, मेरी वॉच है 10,000 की और हम उसमें लिख रहे हैं 2,000 ना, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। या आपको कुछ और चीज चाहिए, उसका प्राइस आपने बहुत ज्यादा लिख दिया या बहुत कम लिख दिया, नहीं, उस चीज का अप्रोक्सीमेटली प्राइस पता होना चाहिए। एंड वी हैव टू डिसाइड ऑन व्हाट वी वांट, व्हाट वी रियली वांट। ठीक है, एंड वो मनी हमको आए वो जरूरी नहीं है, वो आइटम मेरे पास जरूर आएगा, बिकॉज आई गेस यू गाइज विल प्रॉब्ली गेट द आइटम ओनली, और इफ यू आर अर्निंग और इफ यू आर गेटिंग द मनी, मे बी समवन विल गिव यू द मनी टू गेट दैट आइटम। ठीक है, बिल्कुल ऐसा ही होता है। एंड करना क्या है हमको, उसके लिए वो जो चीज चाहिए है उसके लिए एकदम अच्छे से मन में सोचना है कि यस, दिस इज द थिंग दैट आई वांट फॉर मी। ठीक है, एंड मनी, इफ आई टेल यू, I might have done this with you guys, I don't know, and everyone likes pani puri over here. Right? So if yes. Yes. Sorry Harshika, जिस सब लोग अपनी मम्मा के से बोल देना कल तो पानी पूरी खाना है, सेशन में बोला गया।
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes. So now if I tell you, imagine.
Always.
Yes. Okay. Now how much does a pani puri cost? 3 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees normally, unless you go to a mall and have in the food court. 10 rupees चलो पकड़ लेते हैं, ठीक है? 10 rupees में एक पानी पूरी. Okay.
7 to 8 in my street.
Wonderful. तो अभी चलिए फिर भी let's take 10 rupees because एक से तो मन नहीं भरता ना, बहुत सारे खाने पड़ते हैं, right? तो if I am telling you, you have this 10 rupee note. आपको उस नोट को देख के वो अच्छी फीलिंग आएगी क्या? या वो पूछ के मन में इमेजिन करके आएगी? किसके लिए ज्यादा अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है मन में? वो 10 रुपए के एक नोट के लिए जो कभी मम्मा दे देती है तो इतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं लगता है, या वो पुचके के लिए ज्यादा अच्छा प्यार मन में आएगा, वो पानी पूरी के लिए मन में ज्यादा अच्छा प्यार आएगा? या ऑफ कोर्स पानी पूरी के लिए. या नॉट फॉर दैट 10 रुपी नोट फॉर श्योर. हाँ, तो अब क्या है, जब हम इसको अट्रैक्ट करना चाहते हैं हमारे लाइफ में, वी हैव टू इमेजिन द आइटम. प्लीज डोंट इमेजिन पुचकास. ओके, ठीक है? बिकॉज वो पुचका तो अभी घर में ही खाना पड़ेगा. लॉकडाउन में आप कहीं नहीं जा रहे हो 10 रुपी लेके, ठीक है? सो यू हैव टू इमेजिन दैट आइटम. वो जब इमेजिन आइटम, जब हम उस आइटम को इमेजिन करेंगे कि वो मेरे को मिल गया, आई एम सो हैप्पी अबाउट इट, सो एक्साइटेड अबाउट माय न्यू फोन, माय लैपटॉप, माय ड्रेस, माय शू, माय सॉफ्ट टॉय, और व्हाटएवर यू आर वांटिंग, दैट कोर्स दैट यू वांट टू डू, द हॉलिडे यू वांट टू गो टू, उस चीज के लिए जब हम सोच के एक्साइटेड होंगे, तब वो एक्चुअल फीलिंग, दिस होल बुक इज टेलिंग अस अबाउट द फीलिंग्स. डेप्थ में जाओ, ग्रेटिट्यूड अंदर से लाओ, वो फीलिंग उसके लिए जो निकलेगी वो उस अमाउंट के लिए नहीं निकलेगी, ठीक है? विराज, आई अंडरस्टैंड यू वांट टू बी अ ट्रिलियनेयर, फिर भी वो फीलिंग नहीं निकलेगी फॉर द मनी जितनी उस 1500 कार्ड्स के लिए निकलेगी. ओके, तो वो आइटम के लिए हमको फीलिंग सोचना है, फिर वो चेक लिखना है. या
I want to know something.
Yes.
That अगर अपन ने उसमें जो भी अमाउंट लिखा वो एक साथ मिलेगा कि धीरे धीरे थोड़ा थोड़ा करके ऐसा?
ऐसा क्यों सोच रहे हो धीरे धीरे मिलेगा? हाँ, अच्छा, let's read it, then I'll tell you, then I will answer your question. Yeah, please Aravi, continue.
If you want, you can start with a smaller amount on your first magic check, and after you receive the smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amounts on your next checks. The benefit of starting with a smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that you did it. You will know absolutely that the magic of gratitude worked, and the gratitude and joy you feel will make bigger amounts believable to you.
Yeah, so now this is Archit, I think this answers your question. So what you have to imagine is like a smaller amount, okay, a smaller item. ओके, मे बी यू सी, अच्छा चलो देखते हैं, इस अभी तो लॉकडाउन है, मेरे को स्टारबक्स की कॉफी कहाँ से मिलेगी? इफ यू गाइज आर कॉफी फ्रीक्स, नहीं, आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ यू मे नॉट बी. हाँ, या मे बी मेरे को एक चॉकलेट कहाँ से, चॉकलेट पेस्ट्री मिलेगी, या मे बी मेरे को फेरो रोशर का बॉक्स चाहिए है मेरे को. सो स्टार्ट विद अ स्मॉलर अमाउंट. उससे क्या होगा, एक तो वो मेरे को बिलीवेबल लगेगा कि हाँ ये हमको मिल सकता है. अगर हमने अभी से सोचा नहीं मेरे को आईफोन मिलेगा, तो हमको विश्वास, कौन देगा मेरे को आईफोन? हम लिख तो लेंगे, लेकिन हम सोचते रहेंगे कौन देगा मेरे को आईफोन, इतने पैसे मेरे को अभी कौन देगा? यू माइट थिंक दैट. तो क्या कर रहे हैं हम, पहले से ही उसमें डाउट मिला दे रहे हैं. या एंड दिस होल लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन वर्क्स ऑन आवर फीलिंग्स. अगर हम उसको बिलीव के संग, आस्क बिलीव रिसीव, रिमेंबर इन द सीक्रेट मूवी, आस्क बिलीव रिसीव. अब हमने आस्क तो कर लिया आईफोन, बट हमको विश्वास ही नहीं कि कोई हमको देगा, तो क्या होगा, कभी नहीं रिसीव होने वाला वो, ठीक है? तो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद अ स्मॉलर अमाउंट एंड एन आइटम व्हिच यू फील कि यस वो हमको मिल सकता है. डोंट हैव टू टेल इट टू एनीवन, इट इज जस्ट योर चेक. यू हैव टू फोकस योर ग्रैटिट्यूड ऑन इट सो दैट यू बिलीव कि हाँ ये मैंने ही अपने लाइफ में अट्रैक्ट किया. ओके, या प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Yeah, once you have filled in the details of the magic check, hold the check in your hands and think about the specific thing you want the money for. Get a picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually using the money to get the very thing that you want, and put as much excitement and gratitude into it as you can.
Please continue.
Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoes, a computer, or a new bed. So picture yourself actually buying what you want in the store. If you would purchase what you want online, then picture yourself receiving the delivery. So you feel excitement and gratitude. You might want the money to travel overseas or for your child's college education. So imagine buying your airplane ticket or opening a college bank account and feel as happy and grateful as you have really received it.
Yes. So what do we have to do? We have to write the check. We have to write our name. We have to write the amount. ठीक है. बुक कह रही है, रॉन्डा बन कह रही है कि we have to imagine the item. लेकिन item का नाम नहीं लिखना इसमें. ठीक है. और जिसको चेक नहीं फिल करना आता है, I'll just share the check that I had written. I'll share it in the group. It's like जैसे हमने I've taken a print out, अपना नाम लिखना है, डेट लिखनी है, अमाउंट लिखना है. ठीक है. I'll share it in the group कैसे करना है और उसको फील करना है कि वो हमको वो सामान मिल गया है. ठीक है. If you think you will buy it online, तो आप imagine करो कि वो doorbell बजी है. ठीक है. And the guy has come to do the delivery and you're so excited, you want to open the packet and see and imagine that item. So if you are ordering for, you know, hands free or your earpods or whatever you are thinking to buy from that money, visualize that item coming to you and you know, showing that joy and excitement. पढ़ा ना लोगों ने, joy, excitement, gratitude when you receive that item. ठीक है. तो हम लोग को ये करना है. And we have to feel really happy. जैसे कि वो हमको मिल गया है, तो हमको चेक भरना है, उसको पकड़ के फील करना है. We have to, you know, this is my check. तो अभी जो लास्ट सेशन में मैंने भरा था, I think कम gratitude दिया इसलिए अभी तक आया नहीं है. And उसको feel करना as if you've got that thing. If you are thinking of your earpods, imagine that you know, you already have it in your ears. If you are thinking of a laptop, imagine that you are already using it and how excited you are to try on the speed of the laptop with your new games or the, you know, whatever you want to work on. Imagine that. Okay? So the more you imagine, the more you are feeling positive and feeling gratitude for the thing that you have got from that check, the faster the check will materialize. Okay. And start with a smaller amount. Okay. So please continue.
Yeah, after you've completed these steps, take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions during the day today, take the magic check in your hands. Picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted and feel as grateful and excited as you can, as though you are really doing it. If you want, you can do it more times in the day. As with any other magical practice, you can't do it too often.
Yeah, तो हमको क्या करना है, जब हमने सुबह सुबह आप blessings लिखोगे, I advise सुबह या जब भी blessings लिखोगे, immediately after the blessings write the check. ठीक है. अभी सेशन के बाद think of the item that you want to buy. That you want as a gift for yourself. कि वो item आपको चाहिए. अब वो gift आए या उसके पैसे आ जाए, वो नहीं पता. Universe will decide कि आपको पैसे देना है इस लॉकडाउन में और आपका गिफ्ट नहीं आ पाए, या आपको कोई गिफ्ट ही कर दे, या आप उसको ऑनलाइन खरीदोगे. That the universe will decide. But it will definitely come to you depending on how much gratitude you have given for that particular item. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to fill in the check after the blessings and दिन में at least 2 बार और. ठीक है. एक बार तो लिख लिया तब तो देख ही रहे हैं, 2 बार और मिनिमम एटलीस्ट 2. सबको पता है एटलीस्ट 2 मतलब 2 से मिनिमम 2, उससे ज्यादा जितना बार करना चाहे कर सकते हैं. यू हैव टू होल्ड द चेक इन योर हैंड्स. ओके. एंड क्लोज योर आईज एंड इमेजिन दैट यू हैव गॉट दैट आइटम. एंड हाउ ग्रेटफुल एंड एक्साइटेड. अगेन यू सी 2 words, grateful and excited. पहले था joy and gratitude, now it's grateful and excited. तो जितना ज्यादा, और अगर नहीं आ रहा एक्साइटमेंट, लेके आओ, फेक इट, बट लेके आओ. सोचो कि वो गेस्ट आया और मम्मा ने बुलाया, प्रणाम करना है जाके उसको. ठीक है. बट ऐसा तो होना नहीं चाहिए, ये तो मेरा ही आइटम है, हमको चाहिए, तो आई कैन शो दैट एक्साइटमेंट. डू दैट एक्साइटमेंट एंड दिन में 2 बार उसको देख के हमको विजुअलाइज करना है दैट आई हैव गॉट इट. या प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Yeah, at the end of today, either keep your magic check where you had it or put it in another prominent place where you will see it daily. You could put it on your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, underneath your magic rock, in your car or wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as though you've received the money and be grateful that now you can have or do what you want.
Yeah. तो ये तो कल के बाद की बात है. अभी कल हमको दिन में इसको 2 बार पकड़ना है हाथ में. ठीक है. ये नहीं कि हमने चिपका दिया. फिर कल रात के बाद we have to put it somewhere where we have put our health note, our magic money, वो वाला जो नोट चिपकाया था यहाँ, तो वहां पे पेस्ट कर देना है उसको, एंड हर बार उसको देख के ग्रेटिट्यूड फील करना है. ठीक है. प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
Yeah. When you have received the money on your magic check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on in another magical way, replace the check with a new amount for something else that you really want, and continue with the magic check practice as long as you want.
So she is telling us that एक चेक हो जाएगा तो या तो आपको उसके पैसे मिलेंगे, या या आपको वो आइटम मिल जाएगा, ठीक है। तो इसलिए आइटम पहले से ही सोच लेना है, और ये नहीं कि अभी हमने सोचा है हमको वॉच लेनी है, फिर जब पैसे आ जाए तो सोचो नहीं वॉच छोड़ो, वॉच तो बहुत सारे, हम सन ग्लासेस ले लेते, नहीं ऐसा नहीं। जिसके लिए चेक भरा है वो ही आइटम लेना होगा। इफ यू गेट मनी, ओके, यू माइट जस्ट गेट द आइटम ऑल्सो, ठीक है। और लाइक अर्चित बहुत सही कि अगर कम पैसे मिले, ठीक है, तो अभी क्या करना है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ फर्स्ट चेक, राइट अ स्मॉलर अमाउंट ओनली, ओके। चूज समथिंग रियली, मैंने कि छोटी सी है मिल जाएगी तो मेरे को बहुत खुशी होगी, डोंट चूज अ वेरी एक्सट्रावेगेंट काइंड ऑफ एन आइटम, चूज समथिंग स्मॉलर, ओके। एंड देन इफ यू फील कि नहीं उससे भी नहीं आए, उससे भी कम आए, तो यू कीप, you will keep on getting that money. वो पैसे आए तो रख लो, मे बी आई डोंट नो 100 रुपीज मिले हैं एंड आपके हमारे चेक में मे बी 500 लिखा हुआ है, तो कीप द 100 रुपी सेपरेटली फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर आइटम एंड यूल डेफिनेटली गेट द 400 अगेन इन सम अदर वे। एंड जब ये चेक मिल जाएगा हमको उसका आइटम या पैसे, यू कैन अगेन राइट अ चेक एंड कीप ऑन डूइंग द प्रैक्टिस। जैसे हमने तो यही किया, इसीलिए आई मेड अ एक हमने डॉक्यूमेंट बनाया, उसमें 3 चेक है मेरे, कि एक बार में हम 3 चेक्स का प्रिंट आउट निकालते हैं। अच्छा, अगर आप प्रिंट आउट नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन मेक द चेक ऑल्सो ऑन पेपर। या यस Arohi, please read.
Yeah, magic practice number 17. The magic check. First, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you're grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second, fill in your magic check with the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Third, hold a magic check in your hands and imagine purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you have received it. Fourth, take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least 2 more occasions, take the check in your hands. Picture yourself using the money for what you want and feel as grateful as though you were really doing it. Fifth, at the end of today, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you will see it daily. When you have received the money on your check, or if you received the item you wanted to spend the money on, replace the check with a new amount for something else you want, and repeat steps 2 and 4. 2 to 4. 6. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day."
Yeah, okay, wonderful. So thank you Arohi for reading so nicely for all of us, and thank you everyone for being so patient and nice. Okay, so thank you, and I'm really sorry, and I'll see to it that we are more proper tomorrow. I never thought that kids could be so naughty, but it's good. I'm interacting and learning so many things. Okay, yeah.
Not kid.
Yeah.
Not kid.
Not kid, yeah,
Not
okay,
kid.
not kid, yeah, it cannot be a kid, true. Yes. So now anyone has any question about the practice?
Yeah, I do. Can we use original checks?
No. उसमें साइन कौन कर रहा है? यूनिवर्स का साइन कहाँ से आएगा? Right? So we have to use this check only. ठीक है?
Ma'am, if we don't sign checks, then
साइन तो करना ही नहीं हमको. If I just show you, I will just show you in the book. इसके पीछे ही है check. Sorry, I should have shown it to you. See, this is the check. हाँ, तो if you feel कि नहीं है और घर में फोटो कॉपियर भी है अगर आपके पास, या प्रिंटर में स्कैन करके निकलना होता है, तो you can do that also. So this is the check in the other. I will show it to you in this. Yeah. So this is the check. Everyone can see it.
No,
Ma'am, you not share the screen.
the screen is not shared.
Now, oh, screen is not shared. Kya? Oh yes, sorry. I'm amazing, na? I was doing as a zoom kar rahe, kyun nahi dikh raha hai? Okay. Yeah, now you can see. Yes. Okay. So this is the check. It is there in your magic book also.
Ma'am, can you share this photo in the group? Actually, my network is a little.
I will definitely share. Don't worry. I'll send you a proper, 3 checks so that एक के बाद एक तीनों checks फटाफट materialize हो. ठीक है? But start with the smaller amount. अब यहाँ क्या करना है?
डेट पे लिखनी है हमें.
I will tell you यहाँ क्या करना है. Over here, everyone can see. In this place, you have to write the date where this cursor is. यहाँ पे date लिखना है. पे खुशी कटियाल, प्रिया दुबे, हर्षिका खंडेलवाल, जो भी लिखना है, अर्चित तिवारी, इस जगह पे अपना नाम लिखना है. हमने 3-4 बोल दिया, बट यू राइट योर नेम. ओके, हमको चेक चाहिए, हम ग्रेटिट्यूड कर रहे हैं, सो यू हैव टू राइट योर नेम ओवर हियर. Okay, you have to write the amount over here in rupees. Okay, RS जैसे real check भरा जाता है. If you are अभी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो you can ask me or you can ask someone in your house if they have done this book. Otherwise best is to ask over here in the group only. Okay, तो यहाँ पे लिखना है RS और यहाँ पे अमाउंट लिख देना है जैसे रियल चेक में लिखा जाता है. फिर टू द ऑर्डर ऑफ रुपीज इन वर्ड्स यू हैव टू राइट ओवर हियर. ठीक है, यहाँ पे वो वर्ड लिखना. एंड व्हेन यू आर फिलिंग दिस चेक फिल करने के पहले इफ यू इमेजिन दैट आइटम, ठीक है, उसके बारे में इफ यू आर थिंकिंग कि यस मेरे को मिल जाएगा, तुम कितने खुश होंगे. इफ आई एम वेयरिंग माय न्यू ईयरपॉड्स, माय ब्रदर विल से वाओ सच नाइस ईयरपॉड्स, मेरे लिए भी मंगा दो. ओके, और माय नीज विल बी लाइक ओ वाओ व्हाट इज दिस गिव इट टू मी एंड आई विल जस्ट एंजॉय वाचिंग strangest things, so it'll be more scary. And whatever, I will just enjoy my run, walk, jo bhi. I am already visualizing that I have got it. ठीक है, then I am filling in this check. क्या होगा, I'm already feeling happy and excited. उसको हमने फिर check को fill किया. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. If I would not say that कि आप book से ही फाड़ लो, but if you don't have a printer or something, just make a because important क्या है, feelings. ये कितना ऑथेंटिक है, ये क्या है, नहीं, आपको बनाना इसी टाइप का है. पीछे का कलरिंग छोड़ के भी यू कैन जस्ट राइट लाइक दिस, एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस. इफ यू डू नॉट हैव द प्रिंटर अराउंड यू, यू कैन मेक इट एग्जैक्टली लाइक दिस इन पेपर. A4 पेपर में छोटा सा काट के, जैसे इसका प्रिंट आउट भी निकाला ना, तो आई हैव टेकन इट लाइक दिस ओनली. डिटो इसी का ही प्रिंट आउट निकला था. सो कलर्ड में है, सो आई विल शेयर दैट ओनली विद यू. और उसको फिल करना है. और फिल करके किसी को भी कोई क्वेरी है या नहीं है, सी बेस्ट होता है ग्रुप में, इसलिए बिकॉज क्या होता है, एक का देख के सब लोग सीख जाते हैं. इफ यू सेंड इट टू मी पर्सनली, व्हाट विल हैपन, हम आपका करेक्ट कर देंगे, बट किसी और का भी सेम डाउट हो सकता है, तो उसका फिर गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, आस्क इन द ग्रुप इटसेल्फ, आई विल हेल्प यू एंड इट विल हेल्प द अदर्स आल्सो. ठीक है, फिर इसको दिन में 2 बार देखना है. आई विल रिमाइंड यू गाइस कि इसको आप देखिए चेक को, बिकॉज सम ऑफ यू have not done many practices, so I'll remind you, please see it now and imagine yourself with the item, and the more you feel gratitude, the faster it will materialize in your life. Okay, so let's do the gratitude and then we'll take some questions if you have. Okay, so let's join our hands, close our eyes and pay gratitude to the Supreme Power. Thank you to the great Almighty and the wonderful elements of nature who have blessed us and sent us in this wonderful world to our wonderful loving family. Thank you for giving good health to my family members, my loved ones and me. Thank you. Okay, so thank you everyone. And any questions?
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had
Yeah.
Ma'am, what if by chance the money which we get by this practice and we don't have the particular thing which we thought for while signing the check or writing the check?
Sorry, can you please repeat? Sorry.
Ma'am, what if the amount which we have received is not used for the thing for which we wished, the thing which we wished for?
No, it is better to take that thing only. Okay, because suppose we don't get that, तो यूनिवर्स बोलेगा ये क्या बात हुई, मैंने तो इसको इस चीज के लिए दी थी. आप सोचो ना, आपने मम्मा से पैसे लिए हैं that you will buy a chocolate, okay, for yourself, but you use that money for something else which mama hasn't approved of. So will you get will mama like to give it to you, and she will get to know, will she like it, will she give you the money again?
No.
Yeah,
Absolutely no.
Yeah, so you should buy. I know, Ishita, you have grown up, you are not like others, but आप उसको ऐसे ही सोचो, because universe is like our parent. वो हमको जो चीज के लिए पैसे दे रही है, हमको उसी के लिए यूज करना है. तो आप एकदम अच्छे से मन से सोच लो क्या चाहिए, then fill in the check. If you feel you have got the money for that only, I feel it is best to use it for that particular item only. Okay, तो एकदम अच्छे से सोचना है. आज रात भर सोच लो, कल चेक फिल कर लेना. ठीक है, कोई इशू नहीं है, but think about what you want and start with a small item only. Is that okay?
What do you mean by small item? Like ऐसे खाने पीने का सामान?
नहीं, खाने पीने का नहीं. Like suppose iPhone is not a small item, right? It costs 1 lakh plus. But again, it is all very relative. Maybe if your income is 10 lakhs a month and iPhone is like cool, 1 lakh is okay. So you can write an iPhone. I had started because I had started a few of my first session people had written about a t-shirt. and a kurta. हाँ, ऐसे करके लिख लिया था. Something which you feel is normal. आप ये भी सोच सकते हो नहीं मेरे पास उतनी पॉकेट मनी ही है, हम क्यों लिखें, ये तो हम कभी भी खरीद सकते हैं.
Like shoes, Adidas original shoes.
Yes,
ऐसे
you can
type
think
का
that,
कुछ.
or you can even think, maybe you want to color your hair. You can think that maybe you want to, go for a foot massage or a spa. You can do that. That's like a small something. कि ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत essential है, वो नहीं मिलेगा तो मेरी लाइफ रुक जाएगी, ऐसा आइटम नहीं होना चाहिए. ठीक है, it is like something that you want, and वो मिल जाए तो भी अच्छी बात ही है. हाँ, और थोड़ी देर से मिले वो तो कहीं ना कहीं से मिल जाएगा. But start, that is what I mean with a smaller amount. Maybe it's like maybe for Archit it could be a fancy pen or a new earplugs, या ऐसा कुछ, or a sunglass, a new t-shirt, a new belt, another pair of shoes maybe, ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. वैसे a new pillow, कितनी बार हो सकता है ना कि नहीं, I want a really soft pillow or a soft toy. Okay, so that kind of a small.
When you said that you have to choose first this small thing, that before that I was thinking I am interested in music, instrumental music. Okay. So for many days I was saying for my pa that I want a drum because my mom said you have to play drum like that.
Okay.
So I was thinking I would write this in the check that drum wala go. But you said then choose a smaller this. So I will think.
Yes, think. Yes.
Last one will be my drum ka.
Okay, ठीक है. So I just want to know it's Ishita's birthday. So let's all please wish her. Ishita, please switch on your camera. Yeah. So we will all wish her. Yes, are you there, Ishita? Yes, wonderful.
Happy birthday.
Yes,
Happy birthday, Ishita.
Wish you lots and lots of happy birthday. Sorry. So what I was saying was wonderful. Acha, let's sing, right? Sorry, 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ishita Didi.
Happy birthday to you.
Yes, a wonderful, wonderful life for you, and all your wishes are coming true. Okay, lots and lots of happiness. Keep smiling always like this. Yes.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so
everyone.
much. Thank you.
I want to say something.
Yes, Nitya, you had a sharing.
No, it's not a sharing. It's actually whenever I do gratitude, I start crying. Like even when we had to write for the 3 people, I started crying in the first person itself. So why is it? Whenever I do it, it just happens. Is it because it's intense or something? Or
no, it means that you're actually doing it with so much feeling. Okay, so I'm telling you, I feel lots of magics must be happening already in your life. If you're not sharing, that's different, but you should feel it, because when I started doing the blessings, I would get, like goosebump kind of a feeling. जैसे कभी नहीं होता, and I would think ये क्या हो रहा है? It's like, is it cold, or I started feeling like that. See, these kind of reactions are mostly about the depth of the feeling that you have. Okay, so it could be that you're a very emotional person, you feel so deeply for them, and that's why you're feeling so, tears are coming out. It could be that. So that's very good. It means that you're really feeling the gratitude. And हो रहा होगा ना magic बहुत सारा, नित्या?
yeah.
Yes, okay, wonderful. So this is why, बोला ना कि जितने strong feelings होंगे उतना जल्दी अच्छा आएगा. So you write your dreams and you channelize your energy and your gratitude to materialize your dreams.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have made your vision board? You've started on it?
Yeah, I've started.
Okay, and you're writing your dreams. You have written your dreams and reading them?
Yeah.
Like we did on the 13th day?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
So, okay, so thank you so much, and we'll see each other tomorrow.
Thank you. Bye.
We'll do something. I'll call a couple of you and discuss how to sort out this problem. Okay? Yeah.
I already have.
Yeah, sure.
You already have. Okay, got it. Wonderful. Okay. So see you guys tomorrow. Good night. Okay. Yeah.
Good night.
Take care.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.
Yeah.